Now, throws are a quick, inexpensive way to really jazz up your bed. All right. Now, I'm going to show you a couple of methods that we normally use to do our beds with throws, because they can really be tricky. You'll be surprised how much time we spend just folding everything in sometimes. So the first one is very easy. I'm going to try what that photographer did. That was pretty awesome. It's like, see? Ugh, crap. So the idea is that it'll actually form a little triangle. All you do is you just spread it out, fluff it out. Just make sure that the seams are all tucked in. I hate it when I come in and it looks like that. Okay, so seams just nice, tied in. You can make them look a bit better. So throws do two things. One, they break color all the way. And secondly, they create a lot of texture. You can use one throw, you can use two throws. I haven't really seen three. That might be an overkill. I won't go more than two, but that way you can actually really dramatize your bed, bring colors in, textures, and just make it feel cozy. Okay, so I don't know. I'll just call this the triangular method, and I sound really amazing. Okay, our triangular method. Second one, or we'll call this one the rectangular method. Like, amazing, isn't it? All right, so this one, again, you can just throw it. So all you do now is you just fluff it in, okay? So nice and fluffy, and this is actually a great throw that I'm using. Again, no bold colors, keep to neutral. And just by having a little bit on the end of the bed really makes this whole bedroom pop. All right, so this is a very informal look. So now I'm going to show you one way I'm going to use two throws. So for two throws, I normally use two different colors, neutral again, and different textures. As you'll see, this one is much more woolly, have a bit of a pattern, where this one is very plain. So the open side, the seams, is going towards the feet, okay? As you can see, this is like a really big throw. Like, this is as big as I could find for the king bed. So I am just going to take these three off for now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a whole texture around the cushions and the bedding. And especially if you don't like ironing bedding, this is a good way just to hide it. Okay. So you spread it out. So as you can see, this is a bit too big. So we'll just fold this part in. A little bit like that. So imagine this is now nice and straight. You have good imaginations. I know you do. And now we just plonk these little babies back on there. So just on top of the throw. And again, it will just make them pop a little bit now again. Good. Now, back to our grey throw. All right. Now, we're not going to do the triangular one. We are going to do the rectangular throw. And this one, I'm going to do a bit more of a formal look. So you can do the informal one where I just threw it amazingly, magically the first time around. Remember that one? Yep. That's the one you can do. Or if it's a very expensive house, I normally try and do it a more formal way. So all you do then is you make sure it's nice and straight and you don't see any seams. And there we go. So because this one is shorter than this one, it's a different color and texture. It actually creates so much vibrance on this bed without really doing much to your room.
And thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, please press thumbs up. Yeah, and please share with all your friends, buddies, whoever you think will benefit from this video.
And if you click subscribe, you will see more of these amazing tips and tricks on how to actually style and decorate your home.
Yeah, and if you have any questions, let us know and we'll try and make a video to answer your questions for you.
Yeah, have a good day.
Bye.